actually niyang mga sinasabi.
Opo. Nang matatandaan natin na lumayas ng bansa si Harry Roque dahil sa kanyang connection sa isang illegal na Pogo Hub sa Porac, Pampanga over the Lucky South 99 Pogo Hub, which exposed his connection sa dark underbelly ng Pogo operations including human trafficking among others. Of course, lumaya siya hindi dahil meron siyang kaso kundi dahil sinampahan siya ng contempt. Ayon kay Madriaga, nadismaya siya sa ginawa ni Harry Roque. Tapos nung kinausap niya si VP Sara para kausapin yung mga farmers, biglang ayaw harapin raw ni VP Sara ang mga magsasaka nung nalaman niya kung anong kumpanya ang kakalabanin nila.
48. During one of the activities of ISIP in Bataan, I got to know a group of farmers who were asking for assistance because of land grabbing incidents in their area. I tried assisting them and I discovered that the entity behind the land grabbing in First Bataan Maribeles Holdings Corporation. More than a year later, I informed Sara about this concern and she told me to bring the group to one of her residences in Metro Manila located at Serendra Bonifacio Global City, Taguig City. I asked the group of farmers to wait outside of Serendra as I went to talk to Sara. When I mentioned to Sara the First Bataan Maribeles Holdings Corporation is the one involved in the land grabbing incidents, she told me that she cannot do anything and that she will no longer meet with the group of farmers. 77. Frankly, I felt bad and disappointed given that Attorney Harry Roque filed the case against me in retaliation after I tried to expose his land grabbing activities in Maribeles, Bataan, together with his Philippine offshore gaming operator partners. As I previously mentioned, I was merely trying to assist the farmers of the said area who were supposed to be awarded of their certificate of land ownership award by the Department of Agrarian Reform but fell victim to Attorney Harry Roque's activities. Attorney Roque and his Pogo partners wanted to convert the said place into a Pogo hub after he facilitated the transfer of at least 60 land titles to First Bataan Maribeles Holding Corporations. In fact, Danny Corral, President and Chief Executive Officer of First Bataan Maribeles Holding Corporations, is also an incorporator of Lucky South 1999 Outsourcing Incorporated and Lucky South 1999 Corporation, which were involved in Pogo operations in Pampanga. Number 80. More importantly, I felt betrayed that despite all my efforts to support Sara, to the extent of even committing high-risk acts for her and her family, she did not lift a finger to stop Harry Roque, who is her known ally and supporter, from filing the unfounded kidnapping case against me.